Hello everyone. Today we have with us Asus Zenfone 2 laser smartphone, and in this video we will be checking out the gaming performance of this device with Asphalt 8, which is a graphics incentive game, and we'll be checking out how the Zenfone 2 laser performs with this particular game. We'll be also checking out whether the device heats up after playing this game for 10 to 15 minutes continuously. Apart from that, we'll also check out the amount of battery drop that occurs due to playing this game on this device. So before we start, let's check out the temperature of the device. As you can see for yourself, temperature of the device at the moment is around 33.6 degrees at the top of the screen and approximately 32.2 degree at the bottom of the screen. Similarly, at the back portion, if you check, it is around 34-35 degree, and at the bottom also it is 33-34 degree, right? So the top and bottom portion at the moment differ by approximately 1 degree centigrade in terms of temperature, right? We'll also check out how the battery is at the moment before we start. So we'll just check out the battery percentage, which at the moment is 21%, right? The time is around 12:40. So let's start the game. 12:40 and 21%, right? Keep in mind that we are playing this game with default settings. We haven't changed any settings under the graphics. It is the default graphics setting and not the high performance graphics setting or the full graphics. We do this just because that most of the consumers that use these smartphones do not change the settings, and they play with the default settings, right? As you can see, the graphics appears quite smooth, and it has loaded quite well, right? The colors appears quite crisp and saturated. The graphic details too appears quite good, right? And even the gaming performance at the moment appears good without any, say, lags or frame drops. So we'll check it out how it goes for next 5 to 10 minutes during this review. Hopefully it will perform well, considering that Zenfone 2 comes with 2 GB of RAM and a good graphics GPU. I'm not a good gamer, so pardon my not so good gaming skills, right? So As you can see, we haven't experienced any frame drops or graphics issue or any lag while running this game. Performance appears quite good, even the graphics appears quite good. Let's go back and play some other loop, right? Sorry. We'll just try to set the screen to maximum. It is already maximum, right? So maybe we missed it. As you can see here, the graphics detail that are loaded are quite good, and they appear quite good in terms of color and other graphics details. Similarly, we do not see any lag or frame drops again, even after we change the circuit, racing circuit to some other city. Here again we are playing with default settings, including default graphics, and we prefer this default setting just to take care of the fact that most consumers use this smartphone under default setting instead of full graphics or any other settings change in terms of performance. So most of the consumers will be playing the game on this device using these settings, and that's why they may get the same experience which we are getting unless and until they change the settings to something else. Right, so as you can see, we finished the game without any issues. Right, and let's check out the temperature of the device. Here you can say the temperature is pretty much within the same range, right? Even after playing the game for almost 10 minutes, there is no heating almost, right? It is, the temperature is same without any issues. Keep in mind that we are playing this game or reviewing this gaming performance under a air conditioned environment. So under normal condition the temperature difference may be more and a bit of heating may be there, but at the moment if you are using the smartphone inside an air conditioned room, you will not feel any heat at all. Even your gaming performance appears quite smooth on this smartphone. So this Zenfone 2 Laser appears to be quite good when it comes to gaming. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon with a full detailed review of Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. Stay tuned for that video, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon. Thank you.